Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make milkshake mango, easy method. Start by peeling and dicing 2 ripe mangoes and chilling them briefly. Measure 1 cup cold milk and 1 cup vanilla ice cream for a creamy balance, then add 1 tablespoon sugar if needed. Blend until smooth and frothy, pour into a tall glass, garnish with a mango slice, and enjoy your fresh, homemade mango milkshake. Gather your ingredients and tools before you begin to keep everything smooth and simple. You will need 2 ripe mangoes, 1 cup cold milk, 1 cup vanilla ice cream, and optionally 1 tablespoon sugar or a splash of lime juice. Have a blender, measuring cup, and tall glasses ready. Prep by chilling the milk and ice cream, then dice the mango flesh so it blends quickly into a silky, flavorful milkshake. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It pairs nicely with kitchen playlists while you blend. I find its compact size and sound great for cooking sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you like, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by adding diced mango and 1 cup cold milk to the blender and pulse to break down fibers and avoid stringiness. Add 1 cup vanilla ice cream and 1 tablespoon sugar if you want more sweetness, then blend on high until smooth and creamy. Check thickness and add a little extra milk for thinner texture or a few ice cubes for a thicker shake. Taste and adjust sweetness, then serve immediately with garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.